Joey the rat, Joey the loser, Joey the pigeon. Sneeze. Bro, I don't know which your angle, but it's getting kind of irritating that you keep saying, oh man, talk trash, pull up on me. You know, you haven't gave nobody no information. You haven't gave nobody know how to know where you at. You're such a pussy, man. You act like you really think somebody's going to be like, oh man, I'm scared of Tyree. I ain't going over there. Idiot. Nobody know where you at, because you are one of those idiots that pays a freaking hotel rent, and it ain't rent. It is a hotel stay. Stop saying rent. Motel, hotel, it ain't rent. Either one of them ain't rent. God, you're an idiot, bro. Then you like this is the classic way. Oh, the real Tyree is back. So you mean to tell me it's even a bigger pussy Tyree out there? Jesus Christ, man! What tough guy I have ever heard keep worrying about love. I never thought I'd get beat and do love, especially not the love I talk about. You talk to that chick Ashley one time, and now all of a sudden you love all of a sudden, big time love all of a sudden. She this and that, and she go back to you. She's an idiot. Cause I'll tell you what, bro. It gets no better than you. Ain't no idiots out there that's better than you. I put that on my mama, as you say. I put that on my mama. That there ain't another idiot out there better than you. On my mama. So, like I said, you better stop throwing these subtle hints at people, because once again, tell us where you at. I'm quite sure you have more than one person show up at your door. So stop acting like you ain't no pussy, you ain't no coward, because you are. That's all you ever be, is a coward. You can't fight. You don't fight. The fights you seen on TV, you showed on YouTube, was terrible. Terrible. You can't fight a lick. Wow. And you be the first one to be like, pay homage. No, I'll catch the body. I'm gonna catch the body. You the same dude that literally got knocked down in the front yard. And then you got beat up and blamed it on Ashley because she was there and you didn't want to put your hands on him. If that wasn't a load of crap, I don't know what it is. I never heard a man say, I got beat up because Ashley was there, my girlfriend was there, and she didn't want me to hit him because she said I was more of a man for not hitting him. Well, loser, ain't no goddamn way I'm doing that. Now, I've been with my wife for 22 years. Ain't no way I'm doing that, bro. She'd have to be mad at me that day. Because I'm fighting. And that's how I know. Tyree, you have no respect for women. You act like women's beneath you, but all of a sudden you listening to her. Get the F out of here. Nothing but a loser, bro. You're a loser and a crappy liar. I've never seen somebody like you that complains about something, but literally Do it yourself. You complain about somebody, but literally you doing it just like them or worse. Every time. Got the nerve to call people bums and homeless and this and that. What are you? Matter of fact, you're worse because your butt had money. Your butt had money and you blew it in Vegas thinking you a baller. I guarantee you was broke by Monday. And you're trying to act like that was okay. Wow, man, you're pitiful. You pitiful little man. Little guy. Not little man, little guy. Oh. Oh. I forgot. You're a kid, remember? You want to always be a little boy, little kid, right? Because then you heard that, then you try to say that terrible, that line from the Bible. Man, you are such a liar. You don't know nothing. Stay out of the Bible. It gives you headaches reading. And remember, I thought God was the devil. And he was the worst of the worst, and love is better than God, better than Jesus. Oh, but now you're reading the Bible. But you're an atheist, remember? You're an atheist. So, like I told you, giblet head, I pay attention to everything, bro. See, it could be almost called like borderline obsession. Because when I don't like somebody, or I do like somebody, and if I feel like this person can further my mind, further my education, I am going to try to get every little information from that person. How they do this so good, how they do this so good. The flip side of that is, I like also studying people that is colossal dumb, a colossal loser. And bro, you hit every box, bro. You hit every box. I've never seen a 30-year-old boy say he want to stay a kid and then lie and say God said that too. You just a lie, man. You just a straight up liar and a loser. You're gonna die a lonely death. Cause ain't nobody go be wondering where you at. Ain't nobody gonna be trying to find you. Nobody. Because you are a nobody. A worthless nobody. That's what you are, bro. A worthless nobody. That literally don't get it. Don't get it. Don't get like when people try to tell you something, you think you're smarter than everybody. Like you literally is happy to pay $800 a month for a place like that. That is rent. That is rent. That is a mortgage payment you're paying for a crappy hotel that probably smell like piss and raid because all the roaches and stuff there, and you just fine with it. Then you even said it's pretty nice too. Wow, you are a colossal dum-dum. Oh my God, bro. You are so pathetic. Pathetic. I mean, you always try to exaggerate everything you do. If you fall in love like me, what? You're a stalker, bro. That ain't love, that's being a stalker. That's all that is a stalker. That's all it is a stalker. You are. You're a stalker. You can't get nothing. Can't get nobody without being a stalker. So just call it what it is, man. Stop saying it's love. No, it's stalker. You're a stalker. That's all you are. You'd be going to jail too, right along with Charlie, because neither one of y'all can get a girl the right way. So trust me, you and Charlie, your butt buddy, your Hershey Highway chaser, your peanut butter chaser. So y'all be meeting up eventually. One loser.